examples. And so it's really, I think, kind of really heightens the need for everybody to really be aware of what is going on right now.
Summer camps, trips to the Cape, and birthday parties, they are all sources of COVID clusters that have impacted our state.
And the Department of Public Health revealed those examples today, and they could really have a big impact on summer plans going forward as that Delta variant continues to spread.
And this all comes as new numbers from the governor's office show the state's positivity rate has once again climbed above 3% in the past day. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is live from DPH headquarters tonight.
And Matthew, obviously this is concerning to a lot of people, especially those with vacations planned. Do you think this is the start where people should maybe move those plans?
Yeah, Aaron and Mark, we asked a doctor that very question here tonight here at DPH, and the answer right now is no. Keep your plans, but stay vigilant.
It's been really fun being up here, especially being able to learn about the history.
Nariah Wilkerson is from Georgia and has spent her summer in New England.
We've gone to Salem, we've gone to Sleepy Hollow.
Before going back later this month, she'd like to squeeze in a few more places.
I also want to see some lighthouses because I've never seen one before.
But today we're hearing chilling stories from the state's Department of Public Health. They're citing a birthday party as a source of a COVID cluster. 50 people attended, 16 cases resulted, 4 had to be hospitalized. 33 people were vaccinated and 6 still got it. 13 people were not vaccinated and 10 of them contracted the virus. The state says 13 cases in children from ages 11 to 14 came from a July summer camp. None of the fully vaccinated staff got the virus, and there were no hospitalizations. Then, the consequences from the Provincetown outbreak are being seen now. The state says 28 Connecticut residents who either went or came into contact with someone who traveled to Provincetown got the virus. Remarkably, 26 of the 28 cases are people who were fully vaccinated.
We're in the middle of this increase in cases. We do have a lot of virus around.
Because those activities are typical summer staples, we asked Dr. Lynn Sosa, the deputy state epidemiologist, how people should behave going forward.
It's just being aware of the fact that we do have a lot of virus around and making sure that people know about the things that they need to do to protect themselves. And so, being vaccinated is the very first thing that people can do so that they can continue to enjoy the things that they like to do.
Wilkerson and her family intend to keep their plans, but will be more vigilant.
We kind of are like, hey, we need to calm down a bit, calm down with where we're going. And we're checking now, especially to see if the places are full or not, so we can go somewhere else if we need to.
Now, the experts here at DPH do not foresee any travel restrictions like we saw last year, and they're also using these examples to show that the vaccine is effective. Yes, many of the Cape cases happen to fully vaccinated people, but there were no hospitalizations, and experts say that the symptoms for vaccinated people are going to be less severe as opposed to those who are not vaccinated. That is the latest. Live here in Hartford, Matthew Campbell, Channel 30 News.